Don't need to worry about a beach body anymore, so I'm gonna eat 8 massive donuts. Apple fritter. It's not filled with fritter, but it makes me fritter. Mystery stuffed. It's maple French toast. 10 out of 10. Pumpkin cheesecake. The pumpkin cheesecake filling is unreal. Midnight s'mores. Look at that toasted marshmallow. I'm sitting right by the campfire with this one. 10 out of 10. Very hefty Boston cream. Creamin'. Boston cream donut, we all know. Coffee roll, one of my favorites ever. 10 out of 10. Maple bacon. Tastes like a backyard barbecue on Halloween. 10 out of 10. Rocco's Donuts, crushing it.